This demonstration will illustrate the interoperability that is possible between the UPN Customer Information System Suite provided by SEDC and the Command Center AMR system provided by Hunt Technologies using multi-speak web service interfaces. The first functionality that we'd like to demonstrate is the ability of Hunt's Command Center software to query information from the SEDC UPN system. Here we're finding which customer is served by a particular meter. As you can see, they entered a meter number. The customer information was obtained in real time without the need to store that customer information in Hunt's Command Center. Next, we'd like to demonstrate the ability to use multi-speak real-time web services in order to keep two databases in synchronism automatically. You'll notice in the Hunt Technology Command Center application that the billing cycle for this particular meter is shown to be 409. Next, we'll go to the SEDC UPN Customer Information Service Suite and change that billing cycle. Here you can see it's being changed to 11. Once that change is committed, we'll return to the Hunt Technologies Command Center application and check to make sure that the change has been reflected appropriately. Okay, now we're querying that particular meter. And you can see that the billing cycle change has been properly reflected. It's also possible to search for this particular meter in the billing cycle report and see that the same change has been made. Next, we'd not only like to change a billing cycle, but we'd actually like to create a new one. Here's the existing billing cycles in Command Center. Now we'll go to UPN, and you can see that we'll change Bob Jones's service to a new billing cycle number 12. Once again, we'll go back to Hunt Technologies Command Center and make sure that the new billing cycle number 12 has been created and that there is a meter in that cycle. And as you can see, it has been added and there is one meter in that cycle. And it is Bob Jones's meter, as we might expect. All of this has been taken care of automatically. Next, we'll demonstrate the integration that's necessary in order to support the business process of disconnection of a customer service. As you can see, this particular service is being disconnected for non-payment. It's also important to notice that the service will be physically disconnected and the meter will be removed in the field. At this point, the disconnection is being processed in SEDC's UPN software. And as you can see, the service status is now marked as being inactive. We'll move to Hunt's Command Center software, and we'll be able to see that this meter has been changed to a member of the disconnected status group. As a member of this group, if usage is detected on the meter that has been disconnected, an alert is raised in the Command Center system dashboard, which is an important revenue protection feature. Next, we'd like to demonstrate the removal of a service from disconnected status. As you can see, we currently have one meter in the disconnected status group in Hunt Technologies Command Center software. Now we'll go to SEDC's UPN software. You can see that the service is marked as inactive here. The service is in the process of being reconnected. The reconnection is being finalized at this point. And as you can see, the service is now in the active status category in UPN. We'll go over to Hunt's Command Center software and check the disconnected status group. And you can see that the meter has now been removed automatically from the disconnected status group. Next, we'll demonstrate how multi-speak web services can be used to help integration to support the meter changeout business process. First, I want you to notice that the meter number 4086 is in the inventory status in Hunt's AMR system. We'll move to SEDC's Utility PowerNet software next and change out meter 61424 with that spare meter 4086. The meter changeout is now being processed. And as you can see, the meter has now been replaced with the spare 4086 meter in UPN. Next, we'll go to the Hunt AMR system and make sure that that change has been reflected properly. We'll look for meter 4086, and you can see that its status has now changed to find pending, which means that the system will send out automatically a find signal in order to locate this system on the power grid. This demonstration illustrates the new capability in the UPN software to read an AMR meter. The window that just flashed up and disappeared indicated that the meter was being read, and now the customer service representative is given the option of posting that reading to the customer's account.